Alright guys, so I want to talk about a little issue that I see going on out there, and it's everywhere, right? It's the shortage of qualified assisted living administrators and operators. And of course, I blame that. Nobody goes to school or growing up, I want to be an assisted living administrator, or I want to take assisted living administration in college. I don't see that anywhere. People stumble upon it, and then they learn from experience, right? They learn from hands-on experience. You might have started off as a CNA or a marketing director or business office, and all of a sudden the administrator left, or whatever the case may be. The owner says, hey, you're going to take core training now, and you're going to be the administrator, and you just learned it on the fly, right? A lot of you stumble into those roles, and then listen, and then all of a sudden you're experienced, and you've been doing it for a little bit, and all of a sudden everybody comes calling because they're in high demand, right? Like, hey, we're going to offer you a little bit more money over here. So so-and-so switches to this other facility, and this one switches to this facility. So we see a lot of the carousel of administrators and executive directors going round and round because they're very high in demand right now. Anybody just happen to be watching this, they're not very hard jobs to get. You need a high school diploma or GED, you need a clean background, and you need to take your core training and pass the test. And some of these facilities are offering quite a bit of money, way more than some of you are going to make with the 6-bed facilities that you're opening up. I would definitely check into that. I mean, if you want, we offer core training online. You can take a core training class online and then get yourself a little good paying career there. There's that. There is a crisis out there. I'm not making this up. Do your search on Indeed. Look up assisted living administrator, and you're going to see how many of those babies pop up. Some of you who are currently administrators, and if you see your facility with an ad for your position, it's not my fault. I had nothing to do with that. Everybody take care.